Welcome to this tutorial on Phantom Wallet, a popular digital wallet used to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens on the Solana blockchain. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating a Phantom Wallet. To create a Phantom Wallet, you need to have a computer or mobile device with a compatible browser. First, go to the Phantom website and click on the Add to Browser button. This will prompt you to install the Phantom extension on your browser. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create New Wallet. You will be asked to create a password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before. This password will be used to encrypt your wallet and protect your assets. After creating your password, you will be given a set of recovery words. These words are used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Write down your recovery words and store them in a safe place. Do not share them with anyone, as they can be used to access your wallet. Once you have saved your recovery words, you can start using your Phantom Wallet. To use your wallet, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and enter your password. This will take you to your wallet dashboard, where you can view your account balance, send and receive assets, and manage your transactions. You can also use your Phantom Wallet to interact with decentralized applications on the Solana blockchain. Best practices for using Phantom Wallet include always keeping your password and recovery words safe, using a strong and unique password, and being cautious when interacting with unknown websites or applications. By following these best practices, you can ensure the security of your Phantom Wallet and protect your assets. In conclusion, creating a Phantom Wallet is a straightforward process that requires a compatible browser and a few minutes of your time. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a secure and reliable digital wallet to store and manage your cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens on the Solana blockchain.